Woodworking is an ancient craft that has been practiced for thousands of years. One of the essential skills that every woodworker needs to master is understanding wood types and grain. In this video, we will guide you through the different types of wood and their unique characteristics to help you choose the right one for your project. There are two main types of wood, hardwood and softwood. Hardwood comes from deciduous trees, while softwood comes from coniferous trees. Each type of wood has a distinctive set of characteristics that make it suitable for various purposes. For example, hardwood is commonly used in furniture making as it is durable and has an attractive grain pattern, while softwood is often used in construction work because it is affordable and easy to work with. It's also essential to understand the wood grain to achieve smooth finishes and prevent splintering. The grain refers to the texture or pattern formed by the tree's growth rings and can be categorized into three types: straight, spiral, and interlocked. The type of grain can affect the structural integrity and aesthetics of the finished product. Straight grains are common and easy to work with, but interlocked grains can be challenging to machine. Understanding wood types and grain can help you save time and money and produce high-quality work. Remember to consider the type of project you are working on, the wood's characteristics, and grain pattern to choose the right wood for your job. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.